Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a versatile kitchen essential, the Kitchencraft 7.5-liter Clearview stainless steel multi-cooker. Now, if you're someone who appreciates healthy cooking and wants to maximize the nutritional value and flavor of your food, then this cooker might just be your next kitchen companion. Let's start with what makes this multi-cooker stand out. The primary function, and the one that really sets it apart, is its steaming capability. We all know that steaming is a superior cooking method for retaining vitamins, minerals, flavor, color, and texture in our food, especially when compared to traditional boiling where a lot of those precious nutrients can simply leach out into the water. This multi-cooker, with its design, is built to facilitate that healthier way of cooking. But it's not just a one-trick pony. This is where the multi-cooker aspect really shines. It comes with two lift-out baskets. This ingenious design means that when you're not using it for steaming, you can remove those baskets and the main pot transforms into a traditional stockpot. You can use it for making hearty soups or stews. It also functions as a colander, perfect for draining pasta or washing vegetables. And of course, it's ideal for cooking pasta directly. So, in essence, you're getting a steamer, a stockpot, a colander, and a pasta cooker all in one rather sleek package. The build quality of this Kitchencraft multi-cooker is also worth noting. It features a vented glass lid, which is fantastic because it allows you to monitor your cooking progress without having to lift the lid and lose precious steam. The wide, riveted side handles are designed for a secure and comfortable grip, which is crucial when dealing with a large, potentially heavy pot. The interior and exterior are made from high-quality, mirror-polished stainless steel. This not only looks elegant on your stovetop but also promises durability and ease of cleaning. Stainless steel is known for its resistance to rust and staining, making it a reliable material for everyday kitchen use. Another significant feature is its versatility when it comes to heat sources. This multi-cooker is suitable for use on all types of hobs, including induction. This is a big plus for many households, as it means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues if you have an induction cooktop. Whether you have gas, electric, halogen, or induction, this cooker is ready to go. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this particular product. On the pro side, the primary advantage is its multifunctionality. Having one pot that can steam, act as a stockpot, a colander, and a pasta cooker significantly reduces the need for multiple single-use appliances, saving you cupboard space and money. The emphasis on healthy steaming is a major draw for health-conscious individuals. The robust stainless steel construction suggests longevity and durability. And the universal hob compatibility is a great convenience. The 7.5-liter capacity is also quite generous, making it suitable for family meals or for batch cooking. However, there are a few points to consider. While the stainless steel is high quality, it is mirror polished, which, while beautiful, can be prone to showing fingerprints and smudges if not wiped down regularly. Some users might find the riveted handles, while sturdy, to be a bit of an area where food particles can potentially accumulate if not cleaned thoroughly. The two lift-out baskets are a great feature, but depending on the size and shape of the food you're steaming, you might occasionally wish for slightly different basket configurations or perhaps a separate insert for more delicate items. Overall, the Kitchencraft 7.5-liter Clearview stainless steel multi-cooker is a solid contender for anyone looking to add a versatile and health-conscious appliance to their kitchen. Its ability to perform multiple functions efficiently, combined with its durable construction and broad hob compatibility, makes it a valuable addition to most home kitchens. If you're looking to enhance your steaming capabilities, replace a few older pots, or simply want a reliable all-rounder, this cooker is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.